The Ministry of AI podcast evaluating retrieval augmented generative models for transportation safety. Welcome back to the Ministry of AI. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating study titled Evaluating Retrieval Augmented Generative Models for Document Queries in Transportation Safety, conducted by researchers Chad Melton, Alex Sorokine, and Steve Peterson at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. As technology evolves, large language models, or LLMs, are reshaping how industries handle information retrieval. However, in high-stakes domains like hazardous materials transportation, reliance on these models raises a vital question. How accurate and reliable are these technologies? The consequences of inaccuracies can be dire, especially when it comes to safety regulations and compliance. The authors fine-tuned 3 distinct generative models: ChatGPT, Google's Vertex AI, and the ORNL Retrieval Augmented Generation model based on LLMA. They utilized approximately 40 regulatory documents to craft 100 realistic queries focused on route planning and permitting requirements for hazardous materials transport. To evaluate the performance of these models, responses were not only rated on accuracy and relevance, but were also quantitatively analyzed for semantic similarity, essentially measuring how alike the answers were across different models. Key findings, 115. The results were telling. The RAG-augmented llama model emerged as the clear winner, scoring an average of 4.03 out of 5. It provided detailed and generally accurate information, although inconsistencies did arise. In comparison, Vertex AI and ChatGPT trailed with scores of 3.41 and 3.03 respectively, with flaws such as misleading details and vague responses. Implications. This research marks the first application of retrieval augmented generation in transportation safety, highlighting the necessity for domain-specific tuning of LLMs. It's a game changer for industries dealing with strict compliance regulations, where every detail counts. Despite these promising results, the models are not foolproof. They still exhibit issues like information hallucination, shedding light on the necessity for higher quality training datasets, and rigorous validation processes in high-stakes settings. In conclusion, while generative LLMs hold potential for expediting workflows and enhancing productivity, the road ahead requires careful navigation to ensure safety and compliance. The findings from this study pave the way for future advancements and applications of AI in critical domains. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free courses at the Ministry of AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.